Talofa Lover, my name is Melinda. Today I am going to be reviewing a book. I've seen this book being advertised in many different places and it piqued my curiosity. So the book is called Samoan Heroes and it's written by David Riley and it is illustrated by Michel Mulipola. So what piqued my interest was it's a book about Samoa and our people, our history, and it's written by a Palangi. So when I first heard that had my defenses up. What right does a Palangi have to be writing about our people and telling our stories? So I already had a bit of a negative attitude towards reading the book. But I am happy to say that all of those negative thoughts were set aside when I actually read the book. So I thought the book was going to be more of a storybook telling us about the myths and legends. It ended up being more of a textbook, giving us insight into historical Samoans throughout time, as well as our mythical legends and stories of our people. So my favorite so far has been Salamasina and the story of the queen who held all 4 titles, and yes, and so it also includes write-ups of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, one of the most famous Samoans worldwide. It also goes on to talk about some politicians like Fiame Naomi Mataafa, and some real life legends in people like Aggie Gray. I love the foreword given by Lea Siolangi, Professor Malama Malaysia. So he is from the Center of Samoan Studies at the National University of Samoa, and so just having the foreword written by somebody who is of Samoa background gives the story and the book a little bit more credit in my thoughts. I know that David Riley is very much involved in the Samoan community. He's married to a Samoan, and I believe that is a great start, and it shows that his heart is in the right place. What else did I like? The illustrations. I mean, can you see how beautiful that is? The illustrations throughout this book are absolutely gorgeous, and so I can't technically show you all of them, but I showed you this one, and this one is absolutely beautiful. Where is another one that I loved? I mean, the detail in that illustration, can you see? It's just gorgeous. So I rate this book a 10 out of 10. It is suitable for children of all ages. The wording are a bit more aimed at primary school and high school students. So if you are in lockdown, your students are at home and they need something to read, I've got a link down below where you can download the book and you can read it at home right away and get your children learning about Samoan history, Samoans throughout time, and yes, just getting them interested in Samoan culture and sharing the treasures of Samoa. So I hope you liked this review, and I hope that you purchased the book because it is really great. And tofa se foa.